So the topic of this video is optimizing the current ODK central server. So we want to first identify the problem. What's wrong with the current system? So ODK central server is outdated and it's poorly maintained, and it lacks the flexibility, scalability, and the features needed to support modern data collection and management workflows. So how would we modernize this? How would we make it better? We first need to understand the current challenges. So as mentioned in the problem statement, the ODK central server is outdated and poorly maintained. That's understood. But the second point would be the architecture and the features lag behind the community needs. So some features that the community want to see there, they're not providing it. So the objective is to propose and explain a more modern, flexible, and scalable server to support the evolving data collection and management workflows. So what would this new ODK server look like? So goals for the server would be to, of course, make it more modern, streamlining and enhancing core functionalities that already exist in the current system. And of course, we need to start somewhere. We'll start with the essential features and keep it lightweight. We need to ensure that it's scalable to foster growth and innovation. So this is the proposed conceptual schema to give an idea of how we suggest that we improve the current system. So this can possibly be used to improve on what's already there. So the main parts of this conceptual schema would be the project and the form. And if we look here, the projects organize related forms efficiently, while the forms host and manage forms that accept submissions. And we also have other parts such as the questions, choices, projects, and form. This is just a table that summarizes how the projects and forms are associated with each other. And then we have the section called submission. But in more detail, we can look at this conceptual design. These have the relation to each table with each other. For example, we have the form there and its attributes, and we can see that a form can have no questions or many questions. And a question can have no choices or many choices. But the main part that I want to discuss right here would be the submission. So the submission represents a table that stores the values that are answered from these forms. So for each form, there would exist a relevant submission, and it would generally be in this format. We would have the submission ID and the form ID with each questions there. So we'd have question A and so on. It needs to match the form, and this should be dynamically created. So moving on, we have some points that shows how this design would enhance the current system. So it would allow for charts to be created, filter dataset, union datasets, and join datasets. And benefits of the new server when it's created. It would allow for more modern and reliable foundation. It will be user-centric, meaning that it's tailored to the community needs. It also be innovative, drives data collection and management evolutions. So in summary, a proposed new server would be lightweight, extensible and scalable. It will be lightweight, extensible, and scalable, and a platform for future data collection and management. But this is just our proposed solution. You can also join and contribute in your own way and try to find a better solution than what might have been proposed here. So thank you for your time and thank you for listening.